Welcome to day 28. Please take a moment and read the disclaimers. And these are the summary, like what we used to do actually mistakes. So, and this is a November summary. What we have done in the November full month. What is the expected? How much percentage? How 19% came? And what is the expected range we expected? And how 61 percentage how it came? So all those things. And I explained about all those. And below table also what it was. So please go and take a look November month summary tape video. It will be very useful. It will be little bigger a longer video. And we are in 28th day. And what's the status now? So you guys know that have initially started with 1 lakh, and 15.5 is nothing but our booked profit, and we pledged that amount. So it's showing I have added that amount also, and additional buffer amount I have partially used. Exact amount I can't put that, but some amount I have put. And the risk reward, if you see, 4.36 is there because the current position, this values is only for the 12th December, not the full position value. So that's why it's showing. But actually the thing I am doing to do is like not focusing on profit. I am trying to cut down the loss in the January series. So I will explain you it in the below. That's why it's showing more. And actually this is a little bit over the thing, but yeah, thousand we our range is 2 to 7%, but it's more than that. And this is now month profit, and this is as on cumulative profit. It means like November plus first week of December. And this is the amount I mentioned it here in the previous video. I mentioned it unrealized profit and loss, wrong value. I apologize for that. And 39,618 is the cumulative profit for this last 6 weeks with the capital of 1 lakh. And cumulative unrealized profit or losses minus 12,000. And we will cut down those also, and I will tell you what we have done. And these are the rules which we are following. If 30% capital if we lost, then this series is ended. That means around now if consider 1 lakh means 30,000 rupees. If profit keeps on going means, then out of that maximum amount, what's the 30% we will calculate. And if we lose any particular point 30%, then it is considered as we lost the series. So we need to do risk management properly. So that's a main point of that. And here you can see November we have started it a few days back. Before that, November summary video will be there. You go and please refer, please go and take a look. And last 2 days I'm not able to record it properly, so so I kept it very short. So today I can explain it little more um, detail. 28th day, 5th December, Thursday. It's today we have expiry. So previous day what we have done, and we just booked only one profit in one position, that is 24,000 CE. And we shifted that position to 24,500 CE so that the risk will be lesser. And this position we closed, this one we created it earlier, 2500 CE and 2500 CE, 500 CE sell. And buy we have that, and we closed that with a loss of minus 180. And this is a total booked profit as on yesterday, and this is a unrealized profit as on yesterday. Today what we have done, so many you can see green and red. So we have, whether we did over trading or what, so we will see that. um, Actually this is already I showed you, and first three portion I showed you. After that this portion only I need to explain. So what we have done, so this 9,000 9,695 morning itself I closed that position. I don't want to risk that position because it's today is the expiry. So morning only when I got chance I closed it, but actually it went down up to 145, 136 and all. So in that case I may lost only 3,000 or something, but I can't take risk. That's the thing. On the day of expiry I don't want to trade. So since there is no still it's consolidating all those things, it can either go up or go down. I don't want to bet that. So I closed that position even though it is loss. And Next position is this one we created it. This next two position we created it on 27th day only. As I said, not only these two, these three, actually. Sorry. So actually, this position and this position we created it 5th December. So we so actually, 24,000 PE and 24,200 we have done, but when it started going towards downwards, I got some profit on this position. So I booked the profit and shifted that position 2400 PE to 23,900 PE. So I lost around minus 1,240, but I gained here or almost 500 and 5,400 rupees in the downside. So because of that, upside I lost around minus 6,000 9,700, but downside I managed it almost half. So it's overall it's okay. We are not we didn't do bad. And here if you see this position also in profit, so I closed that 25,000 CE. It's a Jan series actually. When it become profit, I closed that when I got the opportunity 25,626, and I closed another two position 24,800 CE 12th December and 24,000 24,500 CE highest because what I did like when I was closing 24,300 CE, that's a today's expiry. So I recreated that position for 12th 24,000 PE. So because of that, I created that position, but actually it moved up very violently. So sorry here. It moved up very violently. So here I got around 6,000 minus, but in this position it 10k. It can be when go opposite also. This position may be go in loss, and this position will be the pledging we have that. So overall, around in the first week we have got around 20, and this is enough. Now our focus need to be minimize the risk in the January. That's what I'm going to do. So January you can see this is the currently it's around minus 12.74. It's a loss showing. So I need to cut down the loss. So I sold it at a lower point 24,000 PE and 24,200, only 50 quantity. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if it goes down or something, I will average it for 100 point, so that by doing that I can minimize this risk. um, then as per today, this is the current thing. So if it is moving downward 3% minus by the end of this week, then only I will be in loss. Otherwise I will get around 18,865. So maybe if it goes towards downwards, I may um, average it also. And on the Jan series, if it goes down, we will get this. If it goes up, this is the maximum loss we will get. So we need to focus like minus 24,540. We should not go in that. Before that, in between 7 weeks will be there. We will try to minimize the risk. That's the aim. And this is the cracks for 12th, for the 12th December. Let's see tomorrow.